We're back in Weston Mare and visiting Birnbeck Island for another update on the restoration.
Bonjour et bienvenue. Ni hao and huanying. Cześć i witamy. Hallo und willkommen. Ciao e benvenuti.
Between early May and mid-July 2026, work at Birnbeck Pier was firmly in its active reconstruction phase, with multiple strands progressing at once. By this point, the long-planned restoration had moved beyond preparatory works and into visible hands-on rebuilding. The overall project timeline shows that throughout 2026 there will be a combination of landside building restoration, infrastructure installation and full structural repair of the pier itself, all running in parallel. Little noticeable work has been done on the island itself, as can be seen here. Not much difference to my previous video, and to be honest, not much is expected until the first phase, full restoration of the pier connecting to Birnbeck Island, is completed. During this time there was a busy construction site both onshore and out along the pier, with contractors working on stabilising the historic iron structure while also preparing new materials and sections for installation. During May in particular there were signs of progress accelerating, with new sections of the pier walkway being fabricated in the new site compound, ready to be installed as part of the rebuild. So there was a shift from conservation work into genuine reconstruction, with components being built rather than simply repaired. As the weeks moved into June and early July, the project continued to gather pace, with official updates describing it as a moving at pace toward a planned reopening in 2027. Over this period, the focus remained on strengthening the pier structure and progressing deck works. You'll see in this shot that the pier structure has had all the decking removed and the ironwork structures being repaired or replaced. Councillor Mike Bell, leader of North Somerset Council, said, "Birnbeck Pier is of national significance and it is important that we get things right for our community now and for generations to come. Our priority is to secure a sustainable future for the pier, with a high-quality coordinated approach that protects its heritage, supports public access and works well with the local community." North Somerset Council took ownership of Birnbeck Pier and the island in July 2023. The project to restore the Grade 2 listed pier and associated buildings is moving at pace, with the pier set to reopen to the public in the summer of 2027. We will be back again in September with a further update of this abandoned island pier.
Please like, subscribe and share to this channel and click the bell to get notifications of new content.